Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Topshi Tech and Reviews. In today's video, let's quickly see how to use cruise control on Volkswagen Vento. I have Volkswagen Vento, so let's quickly see how to use cruise control. So without wasting any time, let's get in the video. Please enjoy. So in Volkswagen, the cruise control is a little different. Unlike on the steering, you'll see it on the lever. On the left side lever there is cruise control, and there are three buttons, 1, 2 and this 3, which is related to cruise control. The top one is to turn on or turn off the cruise control. If you do this, it's on, this is off. So once it's on, then the work is for these two buttons over here. These two buttons set will set the speed. Whatever speed you're going on, that would be set as a cruise control speed. And whenever you hit the clutch, the speed would be changed. And whenever you feel like going back to that original speed, you can click on this reset button. So this reset button will also increase the speed. So by clicking it multiple times, it will just keep on increasing the speed, and this will reduce the speed as well. So let me quickly show you all by going on a drive. So I just wanted to say this before showing it on the go. So yeah, let's go and see how to use this.
A few moments later.
I'm on the road now. Let's turn on cruise control and let's keep it to 50. So to turn on, you need to enable this. You'll have to switch this and turn on the cruise control, and then you'll have to go on a speed, let's say 50, and then click the set button. So when you click on set button, so you should see a green icon coming up over there. So I'm not giving any accelerator now, so my legs are down. So this would be the constant speed that it would be going on. So if you want to increase the speed, you can just press this reset button or plus button. So when I press this, it will gradually increase the speed. So you can see the speed getting increased slowly. So I'm just pressing this, and the speed is gradually increasing. It's not that it will increase 5 km/h instantly. Slowly it will increase the speed. So how much ever is required, you can keep pressing. And no need of putting your legs on the accelerator. You can just keep on pressing this to increase the speed. So it has reached 60 km/h speed, and so it has reached 61 km/h. When I step my leg on the clutch, that icon should be gone. Now you'll have to step on the accelerator and increase the speed. And let's say you have increased the speed a lot, or if you have reduced the speed a lot, now you leave the leg and press this reset button. It should automatically come to 60, which was previously saved. So that would be the constant speed when you click on that reset button. And if you want, you can press this set button to reduce the speed as well. Keep on pressing the set button to reduce the speed. So if I keep on pressing this, the speed should come down. So you can see that speed is gradually coming down. If you want to increase, just keep pressing this reset button. It will increase the speed. And if you want to turn off the cruise, you can either use this or just press your leg on the clutch. That would be gone. And you can use the accelerator to increase the speed, or reduce the speed, you can put the brake. So that's about it. That's how you use cruise control. On a Volkswagen, it's on the left lever. For other cars, it should be on the steering wheel. For Volkswagen, it's on the left lever. Not sure how it is on the newer versions of Volkswagen vehicles, but this is a 2017 Volkswagen Vento. This is where the cruise control is. So yeah, that's a quick video which I wanted to make, guys. Hope this was useful. If you think this video is useful, let me know in the comments. Please do the like button, subscribe, comment. Let's catch you in next video. Until then, see you. Bye.